I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this volumizing hair conditioner with hemp seed oil. So what I love about this recipe is that it is cold processed, which makes it so much easier to make because you don't need to heat anything up. So this recipe is super quick and easy. And also this video is in collaboration with Dune Valley Greens. She makes all kinds of personal care products over on her channel. So I know you guys are going to love her channel since you enjoy mine. So go over there and check out her channel. I'll have it linked down below. She's going to be doing a video making a liquid creamy conditioner for dry hair with hemp seed oil. She also already has a solid conditioner bar recipe over on her channel with hemp seed oil. So if you guys enjoy this recipe, you guys will also enjoy this one as well. So I'll have all the links down in my description box. So go over there, check out her channel, show her some love, and subscribe. I'm going to be making a 200 gram batch of this volumizing hair conditioner. And I'm going to be starting with phase A. So for phase A, you're going to need distilled water, liquid dermal plus, glycerin, vegekeratin, volumizing complex, which is a key ingredient. This is what makes it a volumizing shampoo, and hydrolyzed quinoa. This is also another key ingredient because it helps volumize the hair along with L-panthenol. So I have 157 grams of distilled water in this beaker here, along with 1 gram of liquid dermal plus, which is our preservative. So I'm going to start by dissolving 4 grams of the L-panthenol in the water, and this ingredient helps with moisturizing your hair, and it also will help with volumizing your hair as well. And you just want to mix it in until everything dissolves. Next, I'm going to be adding in 4 grams of glycerin. This will help hydrate your hair. Then 4 grams of vegekeratin, which is an amazing ingredient for the hair. I'll actually have a blog over on my Patreon that goes right along with this video that will have more in-depth descriptions of all these ingredients along with just the overall recipe in general. Then I'm going to be adding in 4 grams of the volumizing complex and then 4 grams of hydrolyzed quinoa. The blog will also include a downloadable PDF file so you can actually download this recipe and print it out if you guys would like. Now moving on to phase B, you need some hemp seed oil and then ICE hair restore. I have 10 grams of hemp seed oil in this container here, and I'm going to be adding it into the formulation. The hemp seed oil won't blend in with the formulation until we add in the ICE hair restore. And I almost forgot, I also have 2 grams of my fragrance oil mixed in with hemp seed oil. So I'm going to be adding in 10 grams of the ICE hair restore, and this is the ingredient that's actually going to be conditioning your hair, thickening the conditioner, and acting as an emulsifier. So I really love this ingredient because you do not need to heat it up, melt it down, anything like that. You just add it straight into the formulation and then blend it with a high shear mixer like an immersion blender. And as soon as you start mixing it, you'll notice it thickens up very quickly. And this ingredient has made making conditioners so much easier, so much faster, and I highly recommend it if you're looking for an ingredient to make hair conditioners. I'll have this ingredient along with all the other ingredients I used in this video linked down in the description box. So as you can see, the hair conditioner is so thick and creamy. This ingredient makes the perfect hair conditioners, and I think you guys are going to love this ingredient. So I grabbed a 4-ounce plastic bottle to package my hair conditioner in, and honestly this would be a lot easier if you use like a piping bag or something. You can just take a plastic baggie and cut off a tip of it, or you can do it like I did, which took forever, but I did get it into the bottle. And then I made this volumizing hair conditioner label to put on the bottle, and there you go, that is the finished hair conditioner. I really love this hair conditioner because it does not weigh down my hair at all, which I was worried that it would since it has about 5% oil in it, but it does not weigh down my hair at all, and I have really thin, fine hair. So if you're looking for a volumizing conditioner that's super easy and quick to make, this recipe is perfect for you guys, and I think you're going to love it. So don't forget to go over and check out Dune Valley Greens' channel. She is going to be making a hair conditioner for dry hair with hemp seed oil as well. She also has all kinds of other lovely recipes over there, so go check out her channel. I'll have it linked down in the description box. So here is the formulation for this recipe in case you guys want to scale it to however much you want to make. I made a 200-gram batch in this video. If you aren't sure how to transfer a recipe from percents to a weighed out recipe in grams, I'll link to a video that explains to you guys how to do that. And if you're new to formulating, I will link down in my description box to my Formulating for Beginners series. I have tons of videos here on my channel, so if you are confused about anything, you can obviously go over and check out all my other videos, which will definitely help answer some of your questions, and you can always leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to reply. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Later. Stardust Bath & Body, Nature's Farm Girl, Kennedy's Essentials, LettsBlend, Wildflower, Heartfelt Beauty, KAJ Bath & Body, Blue Mint Soaps, Salt Air Label, Linny's Beauty, Shark City Naturals, Ohana Lay, Danny Botanicals, Hempy Girl, Brie Maquillage, Alchemy and Clay, Bible Belt Boutique, London Latris, Naturally Flawless, Beauty by Riza, Job Spa, and Facial Daily Rituals over on Instagram. Also, if you didn't know, I sell skincare products myself over on Etsy. I'll have my Etsy shop linked down in the description box, along with all my lovely patrons.
I'm stuck in the motions. I've been consumed by the wrath of time like I'm I'm shattered in this life. It's still the path that I've chosen. Because I've had a vision. Now I'm on a mission to find myself.